Hello students, today we are going to do the problems of coordinate geometry. So exercise 7.1. So it is important chapters. So you can expect 6 marks from this chapter. So there are the formulas. This is a distance formula. This is the distance with the origin formula. So this is a slope formula, and this is a centroid formula. This is the area of some 3 points if given area of this triangle formula. So area of triangle formula. So this is the ratios. So this is a midpoint formula. These are the total formulas important in this coordinate geometry. So they are 7 point exercise 7.1. So in this class so I explained only up to 1 to 7 questions. So 1 to 7 questions. Please do this all problems and practice. Okay. So also practice this total formulas also. So start with the first question. Okay. Start with the first question. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. Following pairs of points. Distance between these points. So here first one. So 2, 3, x1, y1 and x2, y2. So 2, 3 and 4, 1. Okay. These are the points given. So think that is A and this is B. So find the distance. We have, what is the distance formula between the 2 points? So distance is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Please remember this formula, very important. Okay. So here x2 minus x1 minus x2, here 4 minus 2 whole square under root of 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 means here 1 minus y2 minus y2 minus y1 x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay. So y1 means 3 whole square. So here under root of 4 minus 2 whole square is equal to 2 square plus minus 1 minus 2 whole square. So this is become 2 to the 4. 2 square means 2 into 2 4 na. So 4 plus 4 is equal to root 8. So 4 will come out and it will become 2 root 2 is the answer for this distance. Okay. This is the first one. And second one solution. This is the first one and this second one solution. So distance is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x, this is one x1 y1 and x2 y2. So x2 means under root of minus 1. Okay, minus 1 minus 5 minus into minus plus 5 whole square. This minus and this minus will become plus. Okay, plus under root of y2 minus y2 means 3 minus y1 whole square means 7 whole square. So it will become minus 4. This is become 4 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. So 4 4 ja 16 plus 4 4 ja 16 is equal to under root of 32. Okay na. So we can write it as in the form of 8 4 ja 32 na? So 8 4 ja 32, 16 2 ja 32. We can write it as 16 will come out and 4 root 2 will become the answer for this question. So these are the second solution. Here third one solution. So distance formula, distance is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 means how much? Under root of x2 means this one 3 minus of minus means plus 3 plus 2 whole square plus 2 y2 minus y1 means this is y2, this is y1. So 2 here minus into minus plus 3 whole square is equal to under root of 5 square plus 5 square is equal to 25 plus 25 is a 50 here. Okay. So 50 we can write it as 25 into 50, 25 into 2. So 25 will come out and it will become 5. So 2 will remain here. So this is the answer. So here 3 plus 2 5 whole square and 2 plus 3 5 whole square, because here minus the 2 minus are there, it will come inside and it will become plus like this. Okay. So don't confuse in this. And fourth one solution here, distance formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x2 means how much? Minus a, x1 plus a minus a whole square, because between the minus here, so x2 is minus a, and plus under root of y2. Y2 means here minus b minus b whole square, under root of minus a minus 2a minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square. So it will become 4a square plus 4b square under root. So 4 common, 4 into a square plus b square. So 4 will come out, and 2 under root of a square plus b square is the answer here. Okay. Here second one question. Find the distance between the points origin O 0, 0 and another point is 36, 15. So formula of this distance between the any point and the origin is solution here. Distance between any point and origin is equal to x square plus y square. So why? Because so x2 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus 0 whole square is equal to under root, like this will come, and x2 square plus y2 square will remain, so under root. So that's why x square plus y square direct we take. Okay. So distance formula of this. Okay. So distance is equal to x square means 36 square plus y square means 15 square. So 36 square is equal to how much will come? 6 is to 9 12 6. Okay, 9 12 96. Okay, plus 15 square is equal to 225. So if you addition to, how will it come? 5 1 5 2 1 will come. It will become in the 39 units. So 39 39 ja 1521. So please remind this. Okay. So this is the answer. Third one, verify the points are collinear or not. So solution here. So let a 1 comma 5 and b 2 comma 3 and c minus 2 comma minus 1. So these are collinear or not, we have to check it out. So collinear means like this come. So all points are in the same or not, a b c. Okay. So this is not there. So a b c are collinear or not, we have to find a b and b c and c a. So if these are all will total come, so AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So it has to equal all the distances. Okay, then only this will become the answer. Okay. So here some correction. So AB plus BC is equal to total AC होना है यहाँ पे. AB plus BC is equal to AC होना. So two distances equal to third distance, because this is a big distance. Okay na? So this is equal to this is equal to, so this total will be also equal. So first we find the distance of these 3 points. Okay. First one, AB is equal to, okay, AB is equal to, so we know distance formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we submit 3 in this formula. Okay na? Under root of 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square, it will become 1 square plus minus 2 whole square. So 1 plus 2 to the 4, under root of 5 will become. Okay. So this is a AB, and a BC we do. Okay, under root of BC. So it will come 2 minus x2 with this one, and a 2 minus 2 minus CB or BC minus 2 whole square plus, and minus 1 comma 3 whole square. So minus 1 comma minus 3 whole square. So it will become under root of minus 4 whole square plus minus 4 whole square is equal to under root of 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. We can write it as 16 into 2. 16 will come out is equal to 4 root 2 will the remain answer. So CA. Okay, AC under root of AC means no. So minus 2 and minus 1 whole square, minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 whole square. So under root of minus 3 whole square plus minus 6 whole square here. Okay. So 3 3 is 9, this one, plus 6 6 is 36 here. Okay. So how much will come? 45 under root of 45. So here 9 will come out 3 under root of 5. Okay na? So AB plus BC will not be 3 root 5. So these points are not collinear. Okay, collinear. So this is the answer. So fourth one solution. So check whether these 3 points are the vertices of the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides only equal here. So scale means three sides are not equal. Okay na? So here let A 5 comma minus 2 and B 6 comma 4 and C 7 comma minus 2 will come. So we have to find distance between the, so distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so here AB we need to find first. So distance between the AB. So under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 plus 2 whole square, because this is minus here, so minus into minus plus 4 whole square. So 1 square plus 6 square it will become. So 1 plus 6 is 36 under root. So it will become root 37. So this one. So BC now under root of BC 7 minus 6 whole square. 7 minus 6 whole square plus and minus 2 minus 4 whole square, minus 2 minus 4 whole square. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1 square plus minus 6 whole square under root. So is equal to under root of 1 plus 36 is equal to under root of 37. So two sides are equal. So we have to find AC. So it is not going to be equal. Then only this is an isosceles triangle. Okay. So CA or AC is equal to under root of 7 minus 5 whole square plus minus 2 minus 2 whole square. 7 minus 2 minus 2 whole square plus minus 4 whole square is equal to under root of 2 square is equal to 4 plus minus 4 16 is equal to under root of 20 is the not going to be the it is going to be the isosceles triangle, because two sides equal, like root 37 root 37 equal. Okay, so it is root 20 another side. So these two are equal, that's why these points are form isosceles triangle. Okay, so this is the answer. Here fifth question. In a classroom the four friends are seated in the points ABC and the figure and the so here the points 4 points are, what is the 4 points? A is equal to 3 comma 4. So A is equal to here, this one 3 comma 4, this one 3 comma 4, and B is equal to 8 comma 9. B is equal to 8 comma 7. Okay na? B is equal to 6 comma 7. Okay, B is equal to, where is the B? 6 7. This is a 6 comma 7. This is a x axis, this is a y axis. Okay, think like that. And a C is equal to C is equal to 9 comma 4, because 9 here and a 4 here, 9 comma 4. So D is equal to D is equal to, how it will come? D is equal to 6 comma 1, 6 comma 1. D is equal to 6 comma 1. Yes, D is equal to 6 comma 1 y axis, 3 comma 4 first one. So these are the friends with the points. Okay, so we need to find the distance of this AB and BC and CD and DA. So we like that. So first AB, after BC, after CA, after CD, after DA, so after AC, after DB. So we have to find these total things. So first one we start with the, so what is the formula? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This distance formula we need to find here the distances. Okay na? So first first is AB under root of x2 minus x1 whole square means यहाँ पे 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. 7 minus 4 whole square, it will become 3 square plus 3 square. So under root of 9 plus 9, so 18 will become answer. Okay, so 18 we can write it as 3 root 2. Okay, so AB. So తర్వాత BC. So under root of BC means 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. Okay, 4 minus 7 whole square. So 9 minus 6 means 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. So same it will come also 3 root 2. And BC हो गया CD. So under root of 6 minus 9 whole square plus under root of 1 minus 4 whole square. Okay, so it will become also 3 square minus 3 square. So it will become also 3 root 2 will come. Okay, so after that we have to find AD. So AD is equal to under root of 6 minus 3 whole square plus under root of 1 minus 4 whole square. Here also 1 minus 4 whole square. So become, so 6 minus 3 is 3 square plus minus 3 whole square. So it will become also 9 plus 9 is equal to 3 root 2 is the answer here. So we got all sides are equal. So diagonals also we have to find equal or not. Okay, so here AC is a diagonal. So AC we need to find AC. Under root of A means how much, 3, and C 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3 whole square plus and 4 minus 4 whole square. So is equal to here under root of 9 minus 3 6 square, 4 minus 4 0 whole square is equal to 36. 36 under root of is equal to 6 is the answer. Okay, so we after that we need to find BD. So BD is also there na, is diagonal. Okay, so this diagonal and this diagonals we need to find. Okay, this is a square. So BD is equal to under root of 6 minus 6 whole square. So B and D 6 minus 6 whole square and plus 7 minus 1 whole square, 1 minus 7 whole square. Anything you can write it as. Okay, so under root of 0 square plus 6 square is equal to under root of 36 is equal to 6 is the answer. Okay, so diagonals are all equal, and AB is equal to, and BC is equal to, and CA is equal to no D AB BC AB BC CD and DA and equal, these are equal, and AC is equal to BD also equal. So then therefore this is a in the form of square. Okay na? So this is the right answer. Sixth one solution. So the show that the following points are form equilateral triangle or not. So A given and B given and C given. So we have to find equilateral triangle or not. So here solution. So distance formula. So under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square na. So this is the formula, and under root of here x2 minus x1 whole square minus y2 minus whole square minus a whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square is equal to minus 2a whole square. So 4a square under root is equal to 2a square means is equal to 2a. Okay, 2a is the answer here. And a BC, so this is a AB, this is the, now BC we have to find. So BC is equal to under root of 0 plus a whole 0 minus whole 0 plus a whole square plus a root 3 minus 0 whole square. So this is a square plus a square into 3. So 3a square plus 4a square total. 4a square means this is also 2a. Mean after that CA we need to find. CA is equal to under root of 0 minus a whole square. Okay, 0 minus a whole square and this for this whole square. Okay, plus under root of a root 3 minus 0 whole square is equal to something we need to get. Okay, so here under root of a square plus 3a square is equal to under root of 4a square is equal to, it will become also 2a. Okay, this is also, so AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So all sides are equal, therefore it is a equilateral triangle. Okay, so this is an equilateral. Okay, so prove that the points minus 7 comma 3 minus 7 3 5 comma 10 and 5 15 comma 8 and 3 are taken in order to consider corners the parallelogram. So find its area. So asking that find its area. So first we find it is a parallelogram or not. Okay, so given points are is this one A and this one B and this one C and this one D. So okay, so distance between the formula we know, under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so we take this formula. First we find out AB. AB is equal to under root of x2 5 minus plus 7 whole square, because minus are already there. So 10 minus means 10 plus 3 whole square is equal to under root of, how much will become, 12 square 144 plus 13 square 169. Okay, it will come 169 is equal to under root of, what will come, 313 will come. Okay, so this is AB, and a BC is equal to under root of 15 minus 15 whole square, 15 minus 5 whole square plus 8 minus 10 whole square. So it will become 10 square 100 plus minus 2 square 4. Okay, so is equal to under root of 104. So this one, CD is equal to under root of, what will become, 3 minus 15 whole square, 3 minus here 15 whole square, 3 minus 15 whole square plus minus 5 minus 8 whole square, minus 5 minus 8 whole square. So it will become, so 12 square is equal to 144 plus this is 13 square means 5 minus 5 minus 13, minus 13 whole square is equal to 169 here. So 169 is equal to under root of 313. So this is a CD. So after that AD, so AD is equal to under root of 3 plus 7 whole square. So 3 plus 7 whole square is minus, because so minus 5 minus plus minus 5 plus 3 whole square is equal to 10 square 100 plus 4 is equal to 104. So we need to find here the area of the, it's a parallelogram. Okay na, so we need to find AC. AC is equal to under root of, this is the diagonal one. Okay, diagonal one. So AC is equal to A and a C, 15 minus 7 whole square plus, and 8 minus means 8 plus 11 whole square is equal to under root of 22 square plus 11 square is equal to 121 is equal to, so 22 square is equal to how much, 484, 484 plus 121 under root is equal to how much it will come, 5016 not 5 under root. Okay, so diagonal 2 is equal to AC, AC हो गया, and BD. So BD and BD, no, BD is equal to under root of B D, 3 minus 5 whole square plus 5 minus 15 whole square minus 10 whole square is equal to 2 to the 4, minus 15 whole square is 225. So is equal to under root of 229. So it will the answer, and this one diagonal 2. So half into diagonal 2 is equal to under root of 605 into under root of 229. So this is become answer. So if not, so this is the answer for up to this one. So this is, we have to prove these are the parallelogram only, parallelogram. Okay, so answer this is optional. So find its area. Some books given this, some books not given this. Okay, so this is the 7 problems today's class. Thank you guys.